The next mini lesson for today is a review of some basic exponential equations skills. So if you are given a word problem that says $7,700 is placed in an account with an annual interest rate of 5.75%, how much will be in the account after 24 years to the nearest cent? So you had this lesson in Math 1, then you skip Math 2, then you learn it again in Math 3. So this is your third time covering it. I know you've forgotten, which is why we're doing this little quick review here. So when you're solving exponential functions, you always start with the starting amount, and then you're always multiplying by something here. So realize that if you just multiply this by 5.75%, which is a decimal, you take it and you move it 2 places. So if you just multiply this by 0.0575%, or 0.0575, not a percent anymore, you're going to get a small number. You're going to get something like 38. That doesn't make any sense if my money goes down to $38. That's not right. Or maybe $380. I don't know. Anyways, your money's going down. That's not right, because you get to keep 100% of this amount of money plus 5.75%. What is 100% as a decimal? Well, it's 1. So you keep 100% of what you had plus your new percent, and then this is an exponential function, so you raise it to the 24th power. It's going to multiply this value by 1.0575 24 times. So it's going to multiply 7,700 by 1.0575, and then take that number and multiply it by 1.0575. I'm just going to continue that process over and over and over again. So this is what exponential functions start as in their most basic form. Let's do one more. An element with a mass of 130 grams decays by 22% per minute. So instead of starting with 100% and then adding the 22% like the last one, well, this time you're starting with 100%, but you're going down, you're decaying. So we put a minus there. And we're going to take away 22% per minute for 7 minutes. So we raise that to the 7th power. So realize when things are going up, you're adding. When things are going down, you're subtracting. So anything like decay, decreasing value, depreciation, anything with that DE prefix, usually going to be subtraction here. And just make sure that your units are important. So since this is per minute and this is per minute, you can just put 7 there. Since this was per year and this was an annual rate, you can just put 24 there. If this said how much is remaining after an hour, you'd have to put what here? We'd have to put 60 because we need to be in terms of minutes. So watch for your units today. We'll talk about those a little bit more in today's actual lesson. But if you would like to now, you can actually go ahead and work on your top 2 Delta Math assignments for today. You know this one and you know this one now.